Hello everyone, I'm your host Jason, and in this video I'll be showing you how to make money on Canva as a beginner. In case you don't know, Canva is a platform that you can go on to create content for your business or for your social media platforms. For example, let's say you want to create a YouTube banner. You can simply go onto Canva and you'll be able to create a YouTube banner or YouTube thumbnail for completely free. All you'll simply do is sign up with your email address and that's it. You can also create videos for YouTube or for any platform overall. So whether that is a TikTok video you want to edit or an Instagram story, you can also do that. With so many options, you can easily see where I'm going to and how you can use this platform to make anywhere from $10 to up to $100 per day without even signing up to the pro plan. Although if you are planning to use Canva to make money, I would recommend that you sign up with Canva Pro, as it's affordable, as it's only for $9 and you'll be able to get even more features compared to the regular Canva user. Let's say we want to use Canva to create a logo. Once you have selected logo, and this is one of the reasons why I think that Canva is perfect for someone that's a complete beginner that wants to start making some money online. Once you have selected logo or any one of the options overall, whether it is a thumbnail or anything like that, at the top you will see some templates right here that you can choose from. So let's say we want to create a thumbnail for a restaurant. You can select food. Then let's say you can select restaurant right here. And once you have selected restaurant, you will see some templates that you can choose from. And you can simply tap on one that you like. After you have selected one that you like, you can edit it. So from here, you'll be able to customize it to any way you like. You can change the color of the font. You can also change the font style and all of that. So that's why I think that this platform is perfect for complete beginners. It is very easy to use. It's so easy to use that I promise you that after a few months or so on, you'll be able to create videos. So that is one of the options that I recommend to use Canva to make some money, but I'll get into that later. The first option that I would recommend you use Canva to start making some money online is by doing freelancing. And if I should go onto Fiverr, and by the way, Fiverr is one of the top rated freelancing platforms, you can simply go onto Fiverr and type in thumbnails YouTube, and you can see that persons are making a lot of money creating simple thumbnails. As you can see, this person's starting price is $25 and they have gotten over 100 reviews. So that means that over 100 persons has used this person's service, and you can see right there, and you will be able to create thumbnails like this on the pro plan on Canva, and you'll be able to start making some money. As you can see, this person has gotten over 569 reviews. And remember, it's not everyone that uses their services will leave a review. So just imagine the amount of customers that this fellow right here is getting. And in case you don't want to create YouTube thumbnails, there are other options that you can use Fiverr to start making some money with Canva. As you can go into poster design, as this is an option also on Canva, and you can see that persons are making even more money creating posters. As you can see, this person is charging anywhere from $75 and they have gotten over 1,000 reviews. So you can see that persons are making a lot of money creating simple posters that you'll be able to create on Canva even as a beginner. As all you'll have to do is simply play around with Canva, or you can simply watch some YouTube tutorial videos and you'll be able to sharpen your skills, and quickly you'll become a pro and you can start charging even more to create thumbnails or posters. And in case neither of those are your liking, you can search on Fiverr. For example, you could become a TikTok editor. So persons will send you their videos and you'll simply go onto Canva and you will upload the videos and you will use Canva to edit it, and that's it, as there are numerous features that you can use Canva for. And if you have been using Canva for a while, I would recommend that you create a YouTube channel that is solely based around Canva tutorial videos. So for example, if I should type in how to on Canva and simply put in M, as this is one of the easiest way to do some keyword research, you can see the different keywords that persons are searching for on YouTube that are related to Canva. As you can see here, there are numerous options, and I would recommend that you create videos on all of these, and then you would sign up to the Canva affiliate program. And once you have signed up with the Canva affiliate program and someone watches your video and you tell them that you have an affiliate link, more than likely they will click on it. And once they go onto Canva and they sign up, you can see right here you'll be able to earn up to $36 for each new Canva Pro subscriber. So as an affiliate of Canva, you'll be able to earn anywhere from $36, which is good money as an affiliate. And there are thousands of persons that are just getting introduced to Canva daily. So there are numerous ways to make money on Canva as a complete beginner. I hope this video motivated you and has shown you different options on how you can start making some money online using Canva. Hope you found this video helpful and informative. If you did, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe, and thank you for watching.